Hey there, boys and girls. We have teacher table for today, Thursday. I'm already logged into my Wonder site. I know you know how to get this far. We are going to look back at our leveled reader again today. So you're going to be going to the blue read circle and bringing up Fuel the Future. I want you to have this up on your screen, ready to go, where you can be able to move through it anytime you need to. I want you to pause the video till you have that up. And now, in your folder, you should find this fancy paper. And these do not look new to you because we have done these at our table before. We're all using the blue book this week. It's Unit 5, Week 5. And I'm putting my name and number on it. Okay, you're going to work through these questions on this page. I'm going to read through them, talk about them a little bit, and then I will allow you to work. So it says the topic. What is the fuel of the future mostly about? So you're telling me, what is it mainly about? What's it mainly about? This should be a complete sentence. Think about what that means and what you should be writing. Talking about the author's purpose. What is the author's purpose in writing the fuel of the future and saving energy? Why did the author want to write this? So the author's purpose is the reason the author is writing this. What do they want their readers to get from reading this? So once again, a complete sentence answer. And you can listen to all the instructions here, or you can pause after each one and do your work and then restart your video. Vocabulary. What new words did you learn? I want you to give me 2 new words. All you have to do is list them here. 2 new words. Then list 3 key words in the text that relate to the topic. So 3 of those, we like to call them those big words. You're going to give me 3 big words. 3, they could be like vocabulary words. And they have to relate to the topic. Remember, sometimes there's big words in there that don't really talk about what the main part of the book. So I want big words that relate to the topic. Conclusions. What is the most important thing you learned in the Fuel of the Future? Once again, give me a complete sentence. What do you think the most important thing you learned is? What is the most important thing you learned in saving energy? Once again, a complete sentence. All it means by saving energy, remember that's where there's the second part in the back of our reader, just the short little story in the back, and this was an expository text, so they're talking about that section there. Now let's make connections. What do you think is the main idea of saving energy? So a complete sentence again. What do you think they're mainly talking about in that last little section, saving the energy? Make sure you're doing your very best work. Remember, after you write a complete sentence, go back and reread it. Do you have a capital letter? Do you have an end mark? Does it make sense?